So pound USD guys, we were buying this 2 days ago. We broke this support, turned that into resistance, went down to hit a base target. So guys, the question remaining is what are we going to do next? I was sick. I'm sorry about that, guys. So guys, I'll keep it simple. Let's get rid of all of these drawings. Obviously, guys, we are in a bearish trend. There's no doubt about that, guys. So, but we are also at the support area, so we will be careful while selling this. Okay, guys, so I'll keep it simple. So, guys, for as long as the price stays below 1.133216, guys, I am bearish. And guys, my first target would be 1.33028. And guys, if the price breaks above this, we will be going for 1.33480. Even after that, guys, I would just take this as a correction and sell this again. Guys, my second target page target would be right about this area, guys. 1.32840. Okay, guys. And I would only become bullish, guys, once we break above 1.33480. And guys, once we do that, I would target 1.33690. After that, guys, I would go for 1.33889. Also, let's check out what the AI has decided. It's